Hi, I'm Paul from Contact Renovation, the custom homes. Check out this video I shot with Rosalind from Wicked Blue Design about how to stay on budget with your design project. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. As a contractor, in my early years, you would always think, oh, the more the project costs, the better for us. But I've seen too many clients over the years kind of overcapitalize or spend more than they wanted to on the project. And even though we did a great job finishing and they got what they wanted, what they didn't want is to spend $50,000 more than they planned to in the beginning, right?
Hmm.
And that's, I think, important to help kind of coach them through. And now in my senior years, I'm, I understand the value of keeping the client on budget, and
Yeah.
I think it's key. And often, like we always ask the potential client, "What's your budget for your project?" And some people don't want to share that with us because they're worried that we're going to spend it all, or maybe they don't actually know what their budget even is. They don't know what the price range should be, and that's where at least then they can have a candid conversation with their designer, and might be a bit more comfortable in working out their project budgets with the designer as opposed to the contractor, because ultimately the designer is not going to spend their money or directly, it's the contractor who will, right? So I know I hate talking about money too much, but it's a big part of it, right? Because
It's important, and as you said, not everyone wants to talk about it. And so that becomes it makes our job a bit more difficult if you aren't willing to kind of have that candid conversation about it. I don't want to know your finances by any means, but I do need to know what we're looking at here, right? So whether you can get all the projects done at this time, or whether it's maybe we do your kitchen now and in a year's time we do your bathroom, then if this is what I don't love cheaping out on a project either. So you have to do quality. You can't always make it you know but I like a save and splurge attitude towards most projects as well.
yeah, absolutely. And that, I guess that would be, go for something more affordable in one area to put a bit of an upgrade elsewhere, right?
Yeah.
And there's
Yeah.
lots of different ways to do it.
Yeah.
Absolutely.